We are going to talk about first atomic. For first, we are going to talk about molecules, atoms, okay, and mixtures. Okay. So, first question is table 2.1 shows the masses of some of the ions in 100 centimeter cube sample of river water. Okay. So in that we have NH4 plus ions, that is zero point 0.4, Ca plus 2 ions, Cl minus ions. That is their mass of ions in 100 centimeter cube of river per milligram. Okay, chlorine is zero point 0.1, ACO3 minus is 1.2, magnesium 0.6, NO3, okay, PO4 minus 3 or 1.3, and sodium is zero point 0.5, and SO4 is zero point 0.4. Okay. Answer the following question. Name the compound that contain NH4 and SO4 minus 2. So that would be ammonium sulfate. Okay. So first is we have, they are asking that these two compounds will make what kind of ion. So that is ammonium sulfate. Sulfur is in group 6, group 5 of periodic table. State the meaning of term element. So simply element is a substance where all atoms have the same proton number and all atoms have the same atomic number. Um, that means only one type of atom is present. Okay, so you can write it down. That is a simple definition of element. Okay, there is a single element. Okay, single type of element. Okay, their proton number will be exact similar. Okay, so carbon will have only proton number of 6. It cannot have any other proton number. Okay, whereas atomic mass, that's a different story for isotopes. Okay, we will talk about that. So that's a simple definition. Now, sulfuric acid is a compound. So, what define term compound? So, compound is an atom of two or more different elements bonded together. Okay, element is simply carbon. Okay, oxygen O2 or Cl2. Whereas compound is, for example, H2SO4. Now, here we have different types of compound atoms in one molecule. For example, here hydrogen, we have sulfur, and we have oxygen. So H2SO4 is a compound, is that element which has two or more number of different types of atoms inside it. Okay. Now s- now we are going to talk about the topic of periodic table. Okay. So samarium is a metal. Reduce the number of electrons, neutrons in the samarium atom shown. Okay. So how we can find number of electrons? Does it has any charge? No, it doesn't have any charge. So number of protons is equal to number of electrons, and where we can see that, I will show you that. So this number, that number shows number of electron, and upper number will show. I will zoom in a little bit more. Now I will show you. This number is number of proton and electron, and this number is atomic number. Okay, so first of all we have to find what is the electron number. So we are going to do simply, I just zoom out a little bit. Okay, that is 62. Okay, I will write here because the that number is called proton number and electron number. So that is 62 and 62, and whereas neutron number is atomic number minus proton number or electron number. So 154 minus 62 gives us what? That will give us 92. Okay, so 92 is a proton number and 62 is a electron number. Okay, magnesium atom is in group 2 of periodic table. Okay, Reduce the electronic configuration of magnesium. Magnesium has a proton number of 12, so it has a atomic configuration. In first shell, it has 2. In second shell, it has 8, and in the last shell, 2 remaining electrons are remained, so it is 2. Okay. Show the electronic configuration of group 2 of the periodic table. Okay. Reduce the period in the periodic table to which the element belongs. So how many shells are there? One, 2, 3, and 4. So that is a fourth period. Okay. Period is fourth. Okay. So you will get your 1 mark. The period depends on the number of shells. Okay. Uh, Figure 2.1 shows the masses over some of the ions in 100 centimeter cube solution obtained by filtering the sample of soil with distilled water. Okay. I think we have already uh, sodium ion. Sodium ion, where is sodium? Sodium now has a +1 charge, so it has lose 1 electron. Okay, so it has +1 charge. How many electrons are remaining? What is the proton number of sodium? Sodium has a proton number of 11. So that would be, in first shell it will have 2 electrons. In second shell it will have 8 electrons. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. Total number of electrons, 1 electron it will lose. So we know that sodium, if it is not positive, it has a configuration of like this. Okay, so that is proton or electron number. When it is +1, that means it loses 1 electron. So electrons are 10. Okay, now next part. Potassium iodide is an ionic compound. Okay, reduce the number of protons and neutrons in the iodide ion. Okay, number of protons will be same. Okay, protons doesn't depend on the charge, and that is the value that is written in the down downside. That is simply 53. 53. New neutrons are simply 127 minus 53. That will give us what? 74. Okay, show the part of the product table. Okay, answer answer the following question using the table 1.1. That is a product table. Okay, some elements are missing. I think they intentionally didn't give us. Has an atom with a complete outer electronic shell, that is simply helium, because it is a noble gas and we know it has 2 electrons in the outermost shell, and for that, for first shell we only need 2 electrons. Okay, all group 8 elements have, any one of them could be a complete outermost shell. Which of the atoms with 5 occupied electron shell? So which atom will have 5 shells? So it has one, two, three. Shell depends on the period. So that is only iodine. Okay, iodine is present in the fifth shell. Okay, so that's why we will write iodine. Fifth shells depends on the period, number of periods. Okay, so fifth shell, so that means it should be in fifth period. Okay, complete the electronic configuration of chlorine. Just 1 second, I will do it for you. Chlorine, how many atoms chlorine has? Chlorine has 17 atoms. So in first shell it has 2. In second shell it has 8. And in the last shell it will have 7, because 2 plus 8 is 10, and 10 plus 7 is 17. That is a proton number or electron number of protein. Okay, chlorine. Okay, that is a, sorry, it has a one missing electron to complete its outermost shell. Okay, now lithium bromide is a compound with a ionic bonding. Uh, li- Lithium will have +1 charge and it will has 2 electrons, because lithium has total number of 3 proton number and 3 electron number, and it will lose 1 electron to get stable position. Okay, so reduce the number of proton and neutron in bromidine. So proton is simply that 35. Okay, and what is proton number? Proton is simply upper number minus lower number 79 minus 35, that would be equal to 44. Okay, the question about halogen and halogen compounds: reduce the number of electrons, neutrons and protons in the atom of isotope of chlorine shown. So number of electrons are 17 because it doesn't have any charge, so that is 17. Number of neutrons, 37 minus 17 is 20, and number of protons are same because there is no charge, so electrons and proton will be equal. Okay, so that is also 17. You got 3 marks. Now the next question is, diamond has a form of carbon structure given. Okay, diamond is a group 4 element, we know that. Deduce the electronic structure of carbon. Use the periodic table. Carbon is simply 2 in first shell and 4 in second shell. Why? Because carbon has a structure like this, 6 and 12. Okay, so that's it. Complete the outermost shell arrangement of calcium. So calcium in first shell, it has 2 electrons. I will just make a dot because that's not here too much. 2 here, and in the third shell it also had 8 electrons. I will just make lines because there is no space. Okay, in the last shell it will have only 2 electrons, 1 and 2. So in first shell it has 2, in second shell it has 8, in third shell it has 8, and in the last shell it has 2. So that will give us 20, and we know calcium is 20 and 40. That's all about it. If you like that video, please subscribe, and if you want to take online classes, please contact us.